All our families are looking for a fresh challenge and a new way of life.
What needs doing in here, do you think?
They're all starting on a journey I know very well.
I spent about 20 minutes chasing one around this.
Oh, really?
10 years ago, I moved from London to run a farm in Monmouthshire, and I've never looked back.
Well, we'll just make sure there's water and food.
So you let it refill. Okay, it's as easy as that. It's teamwork. So hopefully you can get your children, and it's a good job for them to do. It's a responsibility every single day.
Right now, everyone's settling in, but the real work will begin tomorrow, and I can't wait to see how they'll cope.
So here we are, we've got Land Rovers for everyone. Who's going where?
I think we're going to have to stuff a couple of the children in the back with my dogs. Who's getting in here? You ready?
Stay here, stay here.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and there's work to be done up on the mountain.
We got dogs. You've got dogs. All the dogs. Look at you, you've got dogs on your back.
Hold on, you ready?
Yeah.
It's like a roller coaster ride.
A lamb. Oh!
It's amazing, isn't it?
I wonder how many sheep there are up here then. I'm up to 86 so far.
Gareth's family actually has 4,000 Welsh mountain sheep. They're small and hardy, bred to withstand the challenges of the landscape and the weather. This is their home, 27,000 acres of common grazing land on the Carnethau Mountains.
Amazing place.
It's bumpy, isn't it?
This guy's now is going to blow you away. Look at that view.
Wow. Look at that. That is incredible.
Today, you're going to be helping me and Kate gather these mountains. Look behind you. There's hundreds of sheep there. You guys are going to bring them sheep down to the yard. You're going to be thinking of yourselves as a massive fishing net.
Yeah.
This is a military operation. If that line's not tight, the sheep are going to shoot in between us. We get one chance. So when that net starts to get closer, them sheep will want to get out.